All right, I have a 2006 Toyota Prius with like 150,000 miles on it or so. My wife keeps complaining about how nasty the headlights are. She's like, we should go buy a Tesla or something, get a new car. And I'd love to do that, but she's like, at least we can get new lights because they're all foggy and nasty. Make it look nasty. So I'm going to attempt something to try to make it a little better. I bought this stuff on Amazon. The 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit comes with like the drill bits and everything, the drill heads and everything you need, and the solution that they provide that helps kind of make it better. So I'm gonna try it out to see how it helps out these headlights. So I'll let you guys we'll take it before and after. And it should be pretty easy. There's different sandpaper grains, sandpaper it with the 3 different grains, and you put the solution on and it's supposed to make it look better. So I'll get back to you on this. All right, so step 1 of the process here is to wash off the lights, and then they give you this tape to put around there. I think it's kind of to protect it because you're going to be using a sandpaper probably to protect your paint. So step 1, you have a real fine gold one that you're supposed to use. So let's go over it a little bit. Give you 4 of them, so I'm going to do 2 on each one. Okay, now step 2, after you've done the gold disc, which is a 800 paper, you're moving to this next step, which is a finer paper. They have 3 different ones of these, 3 different finenesses. So this one's supposed to come over and go over the other one to make it even more fine. So. So this is after the second sandpaper, and they say that it's supposed to be all foggy like that. So I guess the finer you get, the less foggy you'll get, then you put a coat on at the end. So we're getting to there. The next one is we got 1 more sandpaper fineness to go. So, all right, this is Presley. She's my good little helper. So the final step is like a foam fine head. To get it wet. Get this wet. Here, hold this. When I tell you to add water, okay? Go over with the foam. finished buffing or sanding both headlights with the different headings. We buffed them real good, we washed them off, and now they gave us these coatings. Put one coat on both headlights, and then you let it dry for about 15-20 minutes. Then you put on another coating and let it dry. So let's get to this. It says not to unravel or anything, just it says to take it out. It says not to like rub it or overlap much. You're supposed to put a quick layer on it. It says. And let it dry and then put another layer on. I think they're looking better so far. The real test will be when Mom comes out here and looks at it. See if she still wants to go buy a new car. Hopefully not. Okay, bro. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes since our first coat. As you can see, it's already looking quite a bit better. I don't know if the camera can do it justice, but it looked a lot better, right, bro?
Yep.
Think Mom's gonna want a new car now?
Maybe not.
I've tried a lot of home remedies like toothpaste and other things that I've seen online that you should try, but none of them really worked. So this is the first time I've bought in a packet like this. I know there's different kinds you can do on Amazon and stuff, but this one, it worked really good. I have been quite impressed with the outcome on it. So you put the second coat on, nice and smooth and even, and then you let this one dry for about an hour before you can put any water or anything on it. And then this is supposed to protect it, like, you know, from like the sun and stuff for a couple years. That's what it says. We'll see. We'll see how long it stays from getting foggy again. That's some of the complaints I've heard online, that it worked for a little while and then they went back to going foggy again. So we'll see. But they look really good right now. And it wasn't that expensive. These are like 20 bucks. These kits aren't very expensive, so you can make your lights look nice and new and not have to get no whole new lights. So hopefully they last. Chris, don't touch. Don't touch.
And not have your wife yell at you.
And not have my wife complaining about her ugly car. I mean, the Toyota Prius is kind of ugly, but now the lights are gross at least, right?
Yep.
Cool, we'll see how it works. Thanks guys for watching. Also, I just did a quick one on the back ones. These ones weren't bad at all anyway, but so I buffed them real quick. I'm just gonna put this stuff on here to put a protective coat. It's supposed to like protect it from the sun, so. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you. See you later.